So did you name them?
Alex.
Wow. And your name, sir? Your name is Alex?
Alex and Liberty.
Alex and Liberty. And your name?
John.
John. I'm Lovey.
What?
My name is Lovey.
Lovey?
Yeah, that's my street name. So Alex and Liberty. Wow.
Is that a female's name or a male's name?
It is something so special. I have the pleasure. It is something so wonderful. God bless you so much and thank you.
Welcome. Why can't you get a bird one day?
Because here's what happens. John, they actually fly by. You know what they do? They fly by and they come and they come when they feel like it. I am afraid to touch them. I'm afraid to touch them because I don't want to put nothing on their feathers, like, you know what I'm talking about. Plus, they're very jealous for their owners.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. He started laughing. He said, I know. Yeah, they're preening now. They said, we know we're jealous for our owner. So I'll leave you with a good thought. We love each other. God bless you and thank you. Bye.